Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 007787 State versus Larry R. Garcia. Can I have parties announce?
Lauren Espinoza for the state of Texas.
Robert Gaona for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Correct, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Garcia, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the
We
indictment?
do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Garcia, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. You have a plea agreement with the state. The court does not have to follow that plea. If for any reason I don't follow your plea bargain agreement and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, and probation, this is not an application. I'm sorry, sir. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
By entering the plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
You believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Garcia, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
You'll find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, according to the plea, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 108 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's a $500 fine. Applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it
I did.
and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
The offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I'm guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
And did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
It's a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
I understood.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
I understand, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Do you need a cough drop?
I've got one in my mouth.
Okay.
Taking a sip.
After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that you accept the plea bargain we worked out with the state, give them credit for time served and judgment satisfied.
All right. The court will find you guilty as previously stated. The court will sentence you to 108 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. The court will give you credit for any time served. There is a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Counsel, does he have exactly 108 days?
On the docket sheet, it says 107, Judge. So
All right, so here's the thing. With regards to jail time credit, I can only give you credit for the amount of time you've served day for day. The sheriff's office, they're in charge of whether you receive 2 for 1 or 3 for 1. I'm not in charge of that. What I can tell you is I've entered a sentence of you of 108 days in the Bear County Jail. So if you have 107 days today, maybe they'll release you today, or maybe they will say you owe them another day. That's completely up to the jail. Do you understand?
I understand that.
Now, if they keep you there past 108 days, then your attorney comes back here and we'll find out what's going on.
Understand.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to change your life. How old are you?
35?
All right, you're 35. Now, you're receiving a guilty verdict in this case. That's the easy way out for you. And you're like, hey, this is great because I want to be out of jail either today or tomorrow at midnight. Why they choose midnight? Again, that's the jail. But at the end of the day, if you have an addiction and it's addiction to heroin, that's a major issue. And unless you get help for that addiction, time you leave the Bear County Jail, since you've been there for 107 days, probably gone through detox, what's going to end up happening is you have these plans, right? I'm never going to use again. I'm getting my life together. I'm going to get my family back in my life. Then the next thing you do, you hit freedom, you smell the air, you get involved with somebody because you're supposed to change people, places, and things. And the next thing you know, you're using. And the last time you use could be the last time you use. When you get out of jail, you know what the first thing you should do before you call family or anybody and make promises about I'm changing my life? You need to find yourself a meeting and go to a sober support meeting. You need to find yourself a transitional sober house to live in. If you cannot find any of those things, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you. But nobody can help you if you don't want to help yourself. You understand? Don't call family making promises that you're going to maintain your sobriety when you haven't been tested yet. You understand?
I understand.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else ready? Thank you. Miller?
Ready on that, Judge.
All right, Mr. Miller, come down. Okay, I'm assuming this is just a late indictment, even though it has 2023.
NTR? It's the, I think that's
It's on
one's on
page
NTR.
6. This is a motion to revoke.
There is a motion to revoke, but he also has several unindicted cases, Judge.
Are we proceeding on the motion to revoke?
Not at this current time, Judge. One discovery on the others. I mean,
Okay.
he has 1, 2, 3, 4 additional cases. We had an opportunity to look at it today. I didn't really have an opportunity to evaluate those.
Mhm.
And I was hoping to get a small reset to look at that, because I think that some of them are going to be taken care of in an intake. And I just didn't want to hold that against him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when do y'all want this recalled back?
Judge, I'm fine with next week. I've got 2 trial settings here next week, so you're gonna see plenty of me.
All right, do y'all want to recall this back for the 25th or the 26th or the 28th?
28th would probably be the best, Judge, so that we could get a little time just to, if that's okay, Mr.
Yeah, and that's one of the trial settings that I actually have. It's actually a discovery setting, Judge.
All right, so we will be back on August 28th to see what's happening with your other cases.
Good, Charlie.
All right, thank you. Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, we'll bring you back on August 28th.
Thank you, Judge. We've
Thank
made
you.
the excuse.
Yes. Well, I mean, you may be excused.
I tried, Fred. Good.
I'm sorry, I missed the date.
It's August 28th. You're welcome. You're welcome.
And then they have it. The news on Jeopardy. The last page is that later.
Let me know. Okay.
Oh my gosh. So anyway, it's from, I allow people to use my chambers if they need to do their breastfeeding and also for prayer. Let me see. Your precious. This is so beautiful. Oh. I'm loving this. And it smells beautiful. I'm like, wow. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Love it. You know, you never know where the day is going to take you. The day will always take you to different places, and you think it's not going to be a beautiful day, and somebody makes your day beautiful. That's what, Deputy Laura, that's all I always tell people. You can always do something. People will think they're having a hard day, and they're not. I love the arrangement. All right, State, have you had a chance to review this motion for continuance that's being requested on Jeffrey Smith?
It was just, I just told about it